today I have an exciting video for you guys. It's actually going to be an HERMES unboxing. Plus I have a huge announcement HERMES related that I will share with you after I show you the little unboxing that I'm so excited for. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this. But I do have an item to unbox with you guys, and my mom did also purchase two little items that I'm going to be sharing with you guys as well. Sorry for the messy background. I haven't yet cleaned up from the announcement video. If you don't know what I'm talking about and if you don't know why these balloons are here, please go check out last week's video for my really exciting life-changing news. But yeah, I kind of just like the way that they look. Although if I'm being honest, it's just because I'm very lazy and I haven't popped these balloons yet. All right, so let's just get straight into it. So this item I actually saw with my mom in store. We went in together and we knew that the item had arrived because our SA had texted us, but we didn't know which one of us was gonna buy it. My mom at first said that she really wanted it, but when we got there, it ended up suiting me a little bit better. So I was the one who ended up with it. Here is the little box. You could probably tell what it is from the box if you are an HERMES collector, but this is the first time I've ever bought one of these items. I am just really bad at putting the ribbon and stuff back on, so sorry you're not going to get the full unboxing experience. All right, so here I have to reveal to you my new HERMES belt. I'm so bad with HERMES names, but I do have the little tag that came with it in here, and it is the Pop H15 in Epsom leather. It's in the color that HERMES just calls pink, but I believe on the internet a lot of people call this the 5P or bubblegum pink. Now I don't have anything in this color. I just have, rose confetti and rose sakura. I wasn't actually sure I was a fan of this color until I saw it in real life, and it's actually really pretty. I thought it was gonna be a little bit too purpley for me. As you can see, it does have a slight purple undertone, but I think that what it is that it's just a brighter pink, and I actually really like it. I think it goes really well as a pop of color on a white dress or something. So the main feature or point of this belt is actually this little H. This is what they call the Pop H. Now as you can see, or maybe you can't, it's actually rose gold, which I really love. I think that this enamel color is really pretty with rose gold. Side note, they actually make jewelry with this Pop H logo, and I told my SA that if he does ever come across this pink with the rose gold in jewelry form, either a necklace or something, just let me know, because I think it's really cute and I would totally get it to match this. So the size of this, like I was saying, I think it's the 15. I'm actually not sure how HERMES sizes work. I'm so sorry, but that's what it says on the tag. Now the reason why I ended up with this instead of my mom is actually that it fits me a little bit better. She doesn't really wear dresses that you would need a high-waisted belt, and this is too small to be worn on the hips, so that is why I ended up with it. I wear dresses, as you guys know, all the time, and I love wearing these sort of high-waisted belts, and I don't really particularly wear pants or jeans that often to wear the regular belts, so yeah, it just suited me a little bit better. I also wanted to just quickly compare the color with you. So this is actually the Kelly strap that I have in rose confetti, and then I'll compare it to the pink color. So when you compare it like this, you can definitely tell that this pink is a little bit more purpley, but I think if you're not comparing it to an orange toned pink, it doesn't really look too purple. Now the two items that my mom ended up picking up are little rodeos. I think I might have already showed you the small PM rodeo that she got. It's in a bright raspberry pink kind of color, but I'll show it to you guys again in case I didn't. God, my memory is so bad. But yeah, this is the little PM rodeo. It's just the regular one. This is her first rodeo, and after that I think she's a little bit hooked. I personally haven't gotten into them, but it's probably just because there hasn't been a rose sakura or rose confetti colored one. So she got this one a while ago when she got her Kelly pochette, but then she got offered another rodeo recently, but this one is super super special because it's actually the Pegasus rodeo. I'm sure you guys have heard or seen this before, but the Pegasus rodeo does have the little wings on it. That's what makes it a little bit more special. She also did get this one in the MM size, so it is a little bit bigger than the other rodeo that she has. It also has a couple of different colors on it, which I think is really, really cute. Again, this is a, bright raspberry pink color. So it's a little bit brighter and a little bit darker than my taste, but I think it looks really, really cute on her like Kelly pochette and her bags. So yeah, I'm super glad that she was able to, find those that she likes. Now for the very exciting news. So after we bought the belt and the rodeo, and then my mom actually also pre-ordered a custom watch, which is coming straight from Paris. So it's gonna take a little while to make. I believe I do have a picture of it. If I do, I'll insert it here for you guys. So that was the last thing that she purchased, was the order of this watch. And then after that, she was actually offered a quota bag, like a real quota bag. This isn't even like clickbait or anything. This is a real quota bag, and she's already gotten offered it. She still has it at her house and hasn't let me borrow it for a video yet, but yes, she finally got one. It's been a long time coming, and I'm so happy for her. I think you guys are really gonna love this too. It's such a rare bag, and I'm very excited to show it to you guys. So once I get that from her house, I will show it to you guys. So that video will be coming either next week or the week after, depending on when I can get it from her. But yes, we're very excited. I love it too. So hopefully I will be able to get to show you that soon. So yeah, all right, that was the end of my video. There isn't a giveaway yet. I am still deciding on what to do for the giveaways. Hopefully I will start doing them next month once I figure out what I'm actually gonna do. But thank you guys again so much for watching another one of my videos. It is so good to be back, and I'm so excited to be sharing with you guys my mom's new quota bag, hopefully next week or like I said, the week after. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you next time. Bye!